Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best instant read thermometer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Taylor Dual Temp Infrared Thermocouple Thermometer. For a completely hands-off, infrared temperature reading, this is our favorite thermometer. It's got a regular, fold-out probe just like any other quality instant read thermometer, but the infrared sensor reads the surface temperature of anything you point it as well. If you're cooking a brisket, you'll still need to insert the probe for an accurate internal temperature. But when it comes to making pizza dough for your uni, melting chocolate or even measuring the ambient temperature in your barbecue, the infrared sensor makes life even easier. In terms of accuracy, the Taylor Dual Function Infrared Instant Read Thermometer gives a fair reading. And it's consistent between the probe and the infrared sensor. Another plus about this choice is that it's got a really wide temperature tolerance. The probe can measure anywhere between -67 degrees Fahrenheit to 626 degrees Fahrenheit, while the infrared does -67 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. In terms of negatives, the screen isn't backlit, so it can be hard to read in bright sunshine. Like most infrared thermometers, the sensor has a hard time getting an accurate reading on reflective surfaces like a hot light-colored frying pan. And the screen doesn't rotate, so it's upside down at times. But, all in all, the Taylor Dual Temperature Thermometer is a solidly performing product that's got that added 2-in-1 benefit for a decent price. Moving on at number 4, we have the ThermoPro TP19H. This ThermoPro TP19H has been a very popular instant read thermometer for years. It's not the fastest out there. The TP19H takes a little longer than the more expensive options with a 3 to 4 second reading time. But we've always found it to be very accurate. And you can calibrate it, although we've never had to as of yet. The display on the ThermoPro TP19H Auto rotates 180 degrees for odd angles or left-handed users. Its backlit display is pretty easy to read when the sun's out. And when it's cleanup time, the whole unit is waterproof, rated IP65, so you can run it under the tap without thinking. At number 3, we have the ThermoPro TP620. For the speed, accuracy, and a few extra features without the really high price tag, the ThermoPro TP620 is a top product. We found it to be accurate as stated and give a reading in under 3 seconds, which is the basics ticked off. But what we really like about the ThermoPro TP620 is the auto wake and sleep. You simply pick the thermometer up and it'll turn on, making things so easy when your hands are full or you're wearing barbecue gloves. There's also a handy lock button which will hold the temperature reading on the screen so that you can pull the probe out of a piece of meat and still see how hot it was. We've used this feature many times when smoking in harder to reach smokers. Like most high-end models, the backlit screen automatically rotates depending on how you're holding it. There's a magnetic backing and hook for multiple storage options. And it's waterproof to IP65 for peace of mind around spills or cleanup time. Overall, the TP620 is a well-designed instant read thermometer. It performs well and consistently, while the more rugged design is well suited to the rougher life of grilling or smoking. Although the high temperature range means there's nothing stopping you from it inside the kitchen too. At number 2, we have the OXO Good Grips Thermocouple. Now, if you are reading this to find out which instant read thermometer is the best regardless of price, we can't go past the OXO Good Grips Thermocouple Instant Read Thermometer. Marketed as a good choice for left-handed people, because of its 225 degrees rotating probe and screen, this really isn't all that the OXO thermocouple's got going for it. OXO state the accuracy you can expect is to 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, and we found it to be very spot on. You get a reading in about 3 seconds. And, in our testing, we found the OXO's unique white-on-black screen to be the easiest to read in really bright light. It's got one of the highest temperature ranges of between -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, -50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. And, if you prefer to work in Celsius, you can change it between the two modes. The Thermocouple runs off of 2X AAA batteries. We haven't had to replace ours yet and do expect them to last a long time. They're not rechargeable but, a cheaper battery to buy at least. When it comes to cleanup time, the OXO Thermocouple is waterproof rated to IP66 too. Overall, the little bit of extra you'll pay for this thermometer really does give you that next level of quality and durability for a reliable instant read thermometer that lasts. And finally at number 1, we have the Lavatools Javelin PRO Duo. We're starting off this list with not what's the absolute top of the line, but with an instant read thermometer that's such a good mix of quality, functionality, and a price that it's hard to ignore. The Lavatools Javelin PRO Instant Read Thermometer has an ultra-sensitive Japanese sensor that gives you an accurate, to plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, reading in 1 to 3 seconds. And it's always been on the lower end of that range for us when testing. The screen is rotating for ambidextrous use. The backlit display is easy to read in most lights. And it's got a hold function so the reading will stay on the screen after you pull the probe out as well. Lavatools claim that one single battery should get you 4,000 plus hours of continuous use. We haven't got to that yet. But, just note that the battery is lithium, not your standard A or AAA when, if it ever comes time to change it. The Javelin PRO is also one of the only instant read thermometers on the market that's NSF, CE and RoHS certified for its superior build quality. That also means it's certified free from lead, mercury, cadmium and other hazardous substances, something that I absolutely love when I'm cooking for my family. The body is also BPA free. The IP65 splash-proof body can handle a bit of water when it comes to washing but don't run it directly under the water. The probe folds away for easy, spike-free storage. Plus, there's a magnetic backing so you can stick the Javelin PRO on your barbecue, oven or fridge to keep it within easy access. If that's not enough, the Javelin PRO also has an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Their customer service has a great reputation that we haven't had to yet confirm.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.